Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ami Benny. In this video I'll be showing you guys on how I prepare my hair before shampoo with a very powerful hair treatment I'm using, retaining most of the length I grow and for massive hair growth. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's just go ahead and get into it. The first is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains natural emollient known as lecithin, which deeply moisturizes the scalp and hair. It also stops loss of hair and dandruff, supports hair growth and strength. I'll go ahead to pour in my fenugreek in a plate and add some water. That will be enough for my hair. I'll leave this to sit for like 30 minutes in order to get out the nutrients. A typical example for you to know when it's ready is when the water turns yellow just like this. I'll go ahead to use a strainer. You can use a cheesecloth to separate the water from the seed. Then I added 1 tablespoon of peppermint oil for blood circulation. Then I went ahead to pour it into my spray bottle. Next is aloe vera. I cut this fresh from one of my pots of aloe vera plants I have in my house, but you could get this from the grocery store. Aloe vera has proteolytic enzymes that repair the damaged cells on the scalp. Pure aloe vera gel is a potent antidote to hair fall and thinning. So I went ahead to cut them in small chunks. Then I poured this into my blender and blended it. This is what it looks like after blending. In an empty pot, I poured in my jojoba oil, but somehow I forgot to capture that. I'm very sorry. You can use any oil of your choice. On a low heat, I poured in my mixture and left it for about 20 minutes. And voila, here is our aloe vera oil. You can as well purchase this in one of the links below. We also have Shea-butter. Shea-butter is packed with lots of natural fatty acids that exerts moisturizing and regenerative effects on the hair and skin. It combats dryness and creates a barrier around your strands. See how it absorbs so evenly into the skin. I'll go ahead using the double boiling method to melt the shea butter and add in 1 cup of aloe vera oil. I refrigerated it, then blend with my hand mixer for a smoother consistency. I realized later I used so much of the aloe vera oil. I would have used half cup instead of 1 cup. So this is what it was looking like later on. Please don't make the same mistake I made. My hair is so dirty, dry and tangled. First, I go ahead to apply the fenugreek to my strands and my scalp as well, just to make sure that I work in every strand and put them in sections. Then I go ahead to add in the aloe vera butter. This made walking through my hair a lot easier and faster. Using my fingers to detangle made the knots to easily melt out. You can click on one of the links below where I showed you the visible difference between a good unrefined shea butter and a bad one. And yes, if you need in large quantity wholesales, you can just click on the link. Then I go ahead to twist it up. So I repeated the same process for every of my strands. And yes, my hair was shedding. That was not my hair, me losing my hair or my hair breaking or something. No, my hair was shedding. So I think there's a huge difference between your hair shedding and losing your hair. So I'm going to be using a scalp massager to massage my scalp in order to increase treatment absorption, exfoliation, and losing debris. And I'll be massaging for at least 1 minute. Then I'll allow this to steam for at least 30 minutes. Next, I'm going in with my Garnier Doe Ultra shampoo. I love this shampoo so much. This is like my third time using this shampoo. So you can see me applying it to my root first because that's where most of the dirt is. So I'm walking into my roots, massage, and walk into my strands as well. I love washing my hair in twists in order to prevent the incidence of tangles, reduce friction and all. The trick is to make sure that the hair on your scalp is very loose so that you can go in with a scalp massage, like clear your hair of any dead sebum and build up. Just look how clean my scalp and strands look right now. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on your notification. Bye.